yeah, I'm all right. Hey guys, today I have another Amy Lee makeup tutorial for you. This one is inspired by a concert she did, I think it was on CNN or something. I found some pictures. It was really hard to see because I think some of them were manipulated with the color and lighting and all that. So I just picked the one that seemed, I don't know, the closest and I went with this. I'm going to show you a picture of that now. So that is the photo and this is the look, the end result of it all. And if you want to see how to have this done on yourself, keep watching. For this tutorial, I used the Karity Smoked Palette, Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Peach Lights, Wet n Wild Eyeliner Pencil in Baby Scott Black, L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, L'Oreal Color Riche Lip Liner in Au Naturel, Burt's Beast Gloss Lip Crayon in Outback Oasis, my usual concealer from Maybelline, and here are the brushes I used listed out. Okay, let's begin. Starting with our concealer as always, applying it all over the lid, except the space where we're going to put the eyeliner. Now we're smoothing it out. Okay, now grabbing our eye pencil, and we're going to line, and we're going to make a really thick and sort of sloppy line. We're not worried about it being neat because we're going to smudge it out. Going to line underneath the eye. And the waterline as well. Next up, we're using a smudge brush to smudge the eyeliner out. Now grabbing our palette and two blending brushes. We're going to start with the larger brush and we're going to go into PDA, which is a matte purple. Applying it right on top of the eyeliner, not over it, but on top, meeting it and blending it upwards. I'm going to do a lot of blending here. Apply more and continue blending it out. Okay, now we're taking the smaller blending brush into Burlesque and we're just going to add a tiny bit in the inner part and the outer corner and then just blend it. Okay, now with an angled shading brush, we're going to go in Stargasm. It's a sparkly, shimmery, natural tone, and this will be our brow bone highlight. Back to our pencil liner, and we're just going to retrace the line that we made. Now we're going into Cougar, which is a matte black, with the smudge brush, and we're going to darken that black eyeliner again. Okay, mascara time. I applied mascara on the top lashes and also a little bit on the bottom ones. Okay, now highlighter time. I'm gonna highlight those cheekbones and the temples a little bit. Okay, now with the lip crayon and the lip liner, I'm gonna line the lips. And then apply the lip crayon. And the look is done. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that and that you liked the look. It's another fun purple, intense, smoky eye look. Yeah, a lot of fun. Anyhow, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel for more Amy Lee makeup looks and other fun makeup looks. Yeah. Until next time, rock on. I did it, guys. Look, I did the pink. So my hair, like I said, is an indigo blue. I've said that before. It looks black, right? Yeah, but it's not. And I just went ahead and bleached it, and it didn't lift this hair because this has more dye in it than this hair up here. So I just went and bleached it, and it, you know, lightened this to a light blue, and this one actually was, you know, blonde. And I added a hot pink. So I decided to leave it like this because this hair, if I keep damaging it, it's gonna fall off. I was being lazy. Actually, what I should have done is gone with a hair color remover. If you do the remover first, let your hair rest, and then bleach it, it's much better for your hair. But I didn't want to go through all that, and I was impatient. So I was like, whatever, I'll just bleach it and then add the pink and grow it out. And as it grows out, it'll all just become hot pink. Yeah. But I'm happy to have some color. And yeah, I like it a lot. It makes, I don't know, it just feels more fun, you know, not so boring one whole color. And yeah, I don't know. I'm tired today. Sometimes I am too tired and I'm like, oh. Even though this is fun, it's fun to do makeup. Like I said, I'm tired. So I'll see you guys later.